I cut a cucumber in this way, like so that it's big, easy to take, because Rene likes it like that, in this way, because it's good to massage his teeth. So yeah, like for him, I decided I'm going to do it in this way. It's not really popular, and I actually never seen that people are doing it like that, but this one is for Rene. Still cucumber. Pepper for Eric. I'm cutting it to look like a flower. And this way, because he likes to play that. So could you please say how you do your marinade?
So first I cut the meat in like sort of a square shapes. The size should be like this, something like this, you know?
Yeah.
Squares, yeah. And then after I'm done making the meat, I just usually you can put a container or something, but I started using these bags because they contain quite well. Underneath them I still put this glass thing which you can cook in the oven, just in case
pot.
Just in case the bag will break or something like that. And then I put a little bit of spices for specific meat. Let's say this is pork, this is chicken. Then I put salt. Then I put lemon juice, but like squeezed lemon, you know. So in each of these bags are half of the lemon squeezed. Then I'm putting chestnut. No?
The garlic.
Yeah, the garlic. And then after garlic I put onions, probably like at least 1 or 2 onions peeled, sliced.
Like big like this, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I slice them and put them also, but like half a ring, you know.
But now you still didn't put the onion.
No, not yet.
Okay.
I'm in the process. Then after the onions, I put a couple of spoons of mayo and maybe 100 milliliters of vinegar. And then you just, now I'm filling everything in, and then when everything is in the kitchen, in the refrigerator.
At least 1 day, yeah?
Yeah, minimum 1, but 2 is better.
2 is better, okay.
But I heard that chicken you shouldn't be leaving more than 2 days because it's then starts to
get bad.
Not get bad, but like the texture is getting out of control because the marinade starts to dissolve it. Because marinade starts to dissolve it.
Okay.
You put that black... Ooh, what are you doing?
What?
He's immediately noticed that Eric has a Luka Modric t-shirt.
Yeah, I heard that.
The most famous guy of Croatian, probably, said. Ерикуй там. Нема.
What are you doing?
I'm washing my baby's dish.
And how was the day for you? Did you like the barbecue?
You know which part I liked the most? When I came for after work, and then I was sleeping so nicely, and then my wife came home and she said, "What are you doing? Why are you acting that you're sleeping?" And she poked me in the nose or in the ear. I don't know which one it was.
In the ear. I poked
But
you
then I woke up.
with my point fingers in your ear because I thought that you're pretending, because usually you like to pretend that you're sleeping. So you want to make fun of me. And now this time I thought, okay, I'm going to do some fun of you.
But I was sleeping, for
Yeah,
real.
you were sleeping for real, yeah. So
This is the for Rajnichi.
Eric is burning his calories.
Yeah.